Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and I am here to sum up the first in the natural deodorant challenge between Lume, Schmidts, and the Type A deodorant. As far as who did the most, who did not stain my clothes, who actually fought sweat and any musty or weird or different stains, who lasted longer? Well, everyone didn't promote that they lasted, a certain amount of time, but it is good to know that you can wear your deodorant more than a day if you have a very long day. So who lasted the longest? Who caused any type of irritation? Well, of the three of these, I am gonna have to give it entirely up to Lume. So when it came down to who performed the best overall, Lume was definitely it. It did start off a little rough.
For some reason, the underarms of these t-shirts smell like celery.
As all of them said. But I did notice that progressively, the sweating, the mustiness did start to recede. I think by the second week is what had happened, and that video should pop up for this one. So that is what I did notice. I did notice that I did start smelling less, that I was protected, I wasn't sweating. The Lume did not leave any type of stains at all in the t-shirts that I use for this one. The bonus to Lume is that it is for underarms and private parts. I did randomly use it. And I think I did it just for a week because I wanted to make sure that I did get 3 to 4 weeks out of this. But in that week, I smelled like nothing. So that is the added bonus to Lume over the other two deodorants. If we had to name a runner-up, it would be the Schmidts. Even though the Schmidts does stain my clothes and my brand new t-shirts that I use for this one. In this round of the challenge, I did see that I was not sweating as much. If I went out and danced, which I did do using the Lume, by the time I was like in the car and like kind of, cooled down some, the sweat was gone. I didn't have that sticky feeling under my arms. Didn't have that. As far as it working, it did it. The staining of the shirt gets me every single time with the Lume. Third runner-up, or the third in this race, would be the Type A. I do appreciate that the Type A only faintly stained my clothes, even though it says it doesn't. It did for my clothes very, very faintly, so I can appreciate little. I can appreciate little compared to the Schmidts. As far as the sweat activation and it helping with the odor, it wasn't consistent. It wasn't consistent. There were days where I smelled nothing. There were other days where I smelled funky. It was one or the other. I picked one, okay? That concludes this round of my natural deodorant challenge. Who will be in the next one? I'm still working on that list. There are a few that I want to try, but I only want to do 3 at a time, so definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have used any of these 3 natural deodorants, how well they worked for you, and all information for them will also be down in the description box. All right, make sure you like this video, press the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can stay abreast. I will see you all in the next one.